My name is Talha Abdul Rehman, and I'm a practicing lawyer in the Supreme Court of India. I have been an advocate on record from 2017, and I enrolled in the bar in 2008. I belong to a small town, Faizabad, and I'm quickly going to recount the benefits of studying law, especially coming from a small town of Faizabad. First, I think that the importance and significance that the law holds for the generation today is immense. Not only the groups that are at disadvantage, such as those of Muslims, scheduled caste or scheduled tribes, and backward classes, but also for everybody, is one that it makes you aware about your rights and it makes you aware about how to articulate and claim those rights. Because in today's society and even otherwise, the law and the rights belong to those who assert and those who claim. So, within the framework of the Constitution, it is very important to understand what your rights are, how to navigate the rights, the language of the right, the language of the provisions, and assert your right. So, for this reason, it is important to study the law. And now, having studied the law, you may choose to be either a legal professional, litigating, or joining a law firm, or corporate, or becoming a journalist, or you may even choose to get into education and start teaching or do anything that you like. But the key elements that the law teaches you, the legal training that tells you, is one, the knowledge of how to navigate the difficult paths, two, how to articulate, how to claim, and how to ask for what belongs to you. And number three, and above all, how to do it methodically. Now, in my interactions with the various groups of people, I have realized that there are certain misconceptions or misgivings about the legal profession. Well, lawyers as we are at the center of a lot of jokes, not for good reason. But at the same time, you have to understand that there are many, many lawyers who stood up for a great cause. Everybody gets a sense of justice when you see the courts and the lawyers standing up for a victim. Rather than standing at the fringes and clapping for those people, we want more and more people to be those who are actually standing up for the victims. So the misconceptions about the law, such as that you have to lie a lot, or that you won't earn any money, or that it is a profession that is founded upon treachery, a lie, deceit, falsehood, all of this is incorrect. Once you take up a profession, it is entirely up to you how you navigate and how you do the profession, how you run the track, how you participate in the race. If you do want to go down the wrong path, it is your choice at the end of the day, for which, of course, one will be accountable on the day of judgment. But if you do decide that you have to work diligently and honestly, there is ample room in the profession for that. And in fact, profession encourages and rewards those who do their work diligently, honestly. So I would urge all of you to study law, and study law with sincerity, honesty, and not just empower yourself, but empower the whole society, empower the group, the families that you belong to, and empower your generations to come by studying the law and exercising what lies within the fold of the law.